motors are loud. That one guy already looks back.
Bass over here though. Trust me, once we pass this, it's gonna be bass all over the place.
Yeah, man, that was awesome.
I know.
Motors picked up full speed.
Yeah. Automatic tilt.
Water?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, alright Ricky, this is for you. You wanted to see us get through. This is the toughest part right here. Standing on this rock. It's got the boat over the debris boom. We're home free now. You can probably get over there and help me put the bow.
Do it.
Alright. Try to pass you the bow so you can reach it. Alright. I'll help you get it over the thing, over that barrier. I don't know if I can go in the water here. Let's see. Oh, I'm just doing it. Oh yeah. About halfway through. Hang on, I'm gonna stand on the barrier, on the debris boom, help it sink down.
Yeah, take off my shoe.
No, I'll help you now. Just put the bow in a little bit. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that, folks. That's it. And we took the battery out to help lighten the boat a little bit. Well, home free now. The rest is just another debris boom jump, and after that, we'll be bass. You can't believe. And these bass over here, I haven't seen a bass boat in a long time. Alright. Only a John boat, not a bass boat. So that bass boat, you can't make it. Look at him over there.